Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just did a couple of shows about the tracking of the hurricanes, and I was one of the shows, I think it was 2 shows ago, I talked about listening to the Hurricane WatchNet, which is amateur radio operators who are assisting in communications during hurricane, and I wasn't doing a very good job of that. Reception was terrible. Well, I just watched this video from Dr. T. I call her Dr. T because I'm not very good at pronouncing her last name, so I'm not mocking her or anything. I think she's excellent at providing solar weather information and understanding of it. Anyway, she just did this video and explained what happened. And what happened was during the hurricane, there was also a solar storm which knocked out HF communications. And she goes on to explain why the amateur radio operators couldn't communicate during this period of the hurricane. That's why I wasn't hearing anything. That's why you weren't hearing anything you were trying to hear. And I'm talking about, for instance, 14.325 is one frequency they use. And there was just nothing there. It was like the band was dead. Well, that was the problem. And she goes on to explain it. Then she tells us that it's over now, and therefore the band conditions should be back to normal and even a little better than they have been. The solar flux index has been in the mid 60s. We want it above 100, so that's pretty bad. But she says it's going to be in the high 60s for the next few days. So those communications during and after, because it's almost over, well, almost, I don't know, it seems to last forever, should improve. And so amateur radio operators should be able to contact other people like in Freeport and the islands to get some communications going. So fire up your shortwave radios, and now you should be, in the next few days, hear that traffic that I mentioned to you that should be there on the Hurricane Watch Net. And you can search the Hurricane Watch Net and find out more information about that and all the frequencies that are available. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, how I stopped this? I forgot.